To fix Windows 11 search not working, on your keyboard press and hold Ctrl Shift and Escape key to open Task Manager. Then scroll it down to find Windows Explorer in here. If you can't find Windows Explorer, then click on Name tab to see Windows Explorer. Once you'll find it, right click on it and select Restart. Wait about 10 seconds and check if that helps you to fix your problem. Next, you can click on Detail tab. Here you need to search for Search Host, then right click on it and select End Task and click on End Process. Windows will automatically start it again and check if that helps you to fix Windows 11 search. If it's still not working, then right click on Start, select Run. Here you need to type services.msc, then press Enter. In Services Windows, you need to search for Windows Search, right click, select Restart. If Restart is unavailable, then right click on it and select Stop, wait for 10 seconds, then select Restart. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.